his name?
I forget.
Fooligan.
Fooligan. Fooligan, come over and do some videos with us. Make sure you get the sick merch. Let's go.
Yeah, I built these jumps for Hayden, and Hudson found him first, and he's hitting them. I'm pretty impressed. I don't think a 7-year-old should be hitting those, but...
Too fast! Where you at, Twitch?
Jordan Bow, every 2 million views. Oh. You have to be modified. Really? Oh, I thought you meant.
This guy's coming over from Nebraska, where these guys are from my hometown, so they have a pretty good thing going with their YouTube channel. It's done pretty good. Like, they have over 1 million subscribers on their YouTube channel. It's pretty good from guys from Nebraska, so we invited them over, let them ride a little bit today and see. Just probably go play around. I don't think the guys are nothing serious as far as riders. I think they just pit bikes and dirt bikes for fun, so we'll keep it simple and safe, maybe.
We just stuff her full of everything we need.
What do you think?
Pretty sweet when you get one of these things for it.
This is...
Does that bike look really jerky?
What?
Does that bike look really jerky?
Yeah, it's dirty. Been riding around in the desert for a couple days.
Can I try it?
You wanna try it? It's really torquey. Yeah. Alright, so you know how to ride, right? That was a clutch. You know how to ride a clutch? Don't ever hit your foot.
Oh my god. Do it! Dude, it's sketchy.
Oh!
There you go.
Yo!
It's crashed.
I need to hit that. How fast do I hit it?
Probably like second gear cruising. It's not hard because you have a big deck.
Right. Right in the middle? You were like right here, probably.
Yeah, like there's a safety deck.
Dude, if there wasn't a safety deck, you would have ended so hard.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a little farther back and you would have been down that. I'm just trying to survive out here. I'm just trying to survive. These kids are nuts.
I got it!
I don't need it. I feel bad for talking smack when I watch Supercross now.
Yeah.
This kid walks over and he's like, yeet, yeet, yeet. Every single one. I'm like, what?
Oh!
Gotta have more smooth. We're gonna figure it out, guys.
That was actually sick!
I'm like, Axel, I meant to do that.
Oh!
I think the guy in the yellow is their A rider. Shows them all how to hit it. We need to bucket this one like.
Yeah.
It's a cool little rhythm pack.
Oh!
Now Hayden's taking everyone down the road to go to the pavement because these dudes want to go have a wheelie contest. So we'll see. We'll see if Hayden's got the wheelie skills.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh crap! You good?
Alright, got the bike.
Dude, I got that on film!
You got it on film?
I got it on film!
You didn't see that hole, did you? No, I didn't see that hole. Oh. Alright, get the bike up, let's go. Yeah, that's wrong.
I got it on
Hey.
You're on!
Don't worry about it, let's go.
Let's do this.
Got it pretty good. Got some road rash to take home, you know.
Dude, how'd that happen?
You know, just sent it. Sometimes when you're out of your league and you're riding with 8 and 12-year-olds that are like faster and better, cooler than you, you do what you can to stay relevant, you know what I mean?
Oh my god, he almost crashed again.
This is all my truck jump. I hit them in my truck. Yeah, all these jumps. You can see there's a motocross track through here, but this is like all the truck jumps I used in a commercial before, and it's like a 6-pack each way. So you like double, you on off, and then you double over that huge hill. And you turn around at the bottom and come back where Hudson is, you land down that double, and then this is another double, and you land down way over there. Little ride, and only one guy crashed. Right on the hard ass tucker. Sure, that sucked. Learn about the rain ruts the hard way here.
Don't hit your link again.
Oh my god, just out of nowhere. Rain rut, giant one.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. It was a fun one out here with the Fooligan vlogs guys. And we will now get out of the streets over there, pop some wheelies, took a little bit of a digger. But,
Yeah, that's part 1. We'll see part 2 soon. I'm sure we'll have a lot of footage. Thank you very much for your hospitality. It's been nice to see California.
Got some Cali dirt on him.
Until next time, give me a piece. Ready? Until next time, peace.